This townhouse is situated in Furci, at walking distance from all basic facilities. Furci is a lively village situated at 25 minutes drive from the Adriatic coast and 1 hour drive from Pescara airport. The main entrance is situated on the ground floor, where we immediately find a large kitchen. As you can see, the house avails of central heating system. All utilities are connected. Here you have a working fireplace. As you can see, the ceiling needs new plaster. And here we have some storage space. Proceeding, we find the bathroom. With a sink and a bathtub. The water boiler is new. And down the corridor we find the master bedroom. As you can see, there is some damp on the walls, but it's just because the house has been closed for quite a few years. And this room has a balcony overlooking the surrounding hills. And right here we have some additional storage space. And now we go upstairs. From the staircase we have a window from which we can check the roof. As you can see, the roof has been recently redone, so it's in perfect conditions. And now we are on the first floor, where there is another bedroom. Here we have some storage space. As you can see, this room is quite a nice size. And also we have a balcony overlooking the street. And now we go downstairs. Here we have another room. This room was used as another bedroom. This room has access to the garage and the cellar, and also avails of a large cellar with really high ceilings, a stone cellar, and this is the access to the garage from outside.